like this: 3x square plus 4x minus 15, and then 1 is 6x cubed plus 5x square minus 2x minus 1 equals 0. So one we have power 2, another is 3. So how to solve this type of equation? Let's start with, first I took this one, which is the power 2. This type of question, if there is a power 2 square, we simply use simple and easiest way. We take 3 power of coefficient of x square. We take from here 3, here is 3, and here 15. Multiply. How much? 45. We can write this one this way so that we got this result. So look here, 3 into 15, 45. 9 into 5 also 45, and 9 minus 5 equals 4. So we can write 9x minus 5x equals 4x here. Okay, 9 minus 5 equals 4, so I make here 9x minus 5x equals minus 15. So 9x minus 5x equals 4x. Okay. Now take from these two common. What is common? From here we have 3x common. So it is like this. From here 5 common, minus 5. So this is this. So x plus 3 and 3x minus 5 equals 0. So from this we have two conditions. One is x plus 3 equals 0. From this we got x equals 3. Second is 3x minus 5 equals 0. We got here x equals pi by 3. So what is the value of x from this equation? We have 2. Minus 3n minus 3n 5 by 3. So let's start the next one, power cube. If we have this type of question where power is cube, then it is a little bit difficult, but I have solutions. If we have power cube, power 4 or 5, then we go by making this whole 0. So we have to put here some value which makes this equation 0. Try 1 first. I already made here minus 1 is solution. Let's for you I try 1. Okay. So if we take x equals 1, then this equation is 6 plus 5 minus 2 minus 1, which is not equal to 0. So 1 x equals 1 is not a factor. Let's try with minus 1. If we make here minus 1, then it will become minus 6, it will become plus 5 and plus 2 and minus 1, which is equal to 0. Okay. 7, 5 plus 2 7, minus 6 minus 1 7, so become 0. So we have one solution, x equals -1. So this is x plus 1 factor. One thing we remember here, okay, we have power cube, so this we write 3 place. Okay, from here we multiply 6x squared to get 6x cube. So I write here 6x squared, then multiply it, then it gives you this. Again we have 6x squared, but we need 5x squared, so we have to minus 1x squared equals 5. So I make here 1x, so x squared minus 5 squared, then again minus x. So from here we got this one. From this one we got this one. In total this multiply this, okay. So here this from here common, this you got from this and this. What's this? So x plus 1 from 6x squared minus x minus 1. Now here we use same formula which we used just before to solve above question. So here is 6, here is 1. So 1 into 6. But we need minus 1. So 3 multiplied 2 equals 6, which is also equal to 1. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Here this way, minus 3 plus 2x equals minus x. Now from here take common. What is common? Here 3x common, so it is like this way, 3x common, 2x minus 1. From here plus 1 common, 2x minus 1. So finally we have x plus 1, 2x minus 1 and 3x plus 1. 3 factor of this. Therefore 3 conditions. One is x plus 1, 0. So x is minus 1. Second is 2x minus 1 equals 0. So x equals 1 by 2. Third is 3x plus 1 from here. So x equals 1 by 3. So we have total 3 solutions for fx for this one. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel.